Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use text QR codes with Videostar. First, you'll need to generate your text QR code. You can use an online QR code generator to input the specific text or preset data you wish to use. Ensure the text is accurate, as this will directly influence your Videostar effect. Once generated, save the QR code as a clear image file, such as a PNG, to your device's photo library. Now, open the Videostar app and navigate to your desired project. Tap the New button, then select Multi-Layer to begin. In the Multi-Layer editing screen, you'll find a QR code icon at the top. Tap this icon, then choose Import from the options. This will allow you to access your device's camera roll. Locate and select the QR code image you saved earlier. Once imported, Videostar will automatically scan the QR code and apply the embedded text preset to your clip. You'll then need to tap on the highlighted layer that contains the new text effect. From there, select Edit Text to open the customization options. Here, you can change the actual text content, choose a different font, and adjust the color to perfectly match your video's aesthetic. With the text effect applied and customized, you can now fine-tune its appearance. Use Videostar's editing tools to adjust the text's position, scale, and even its background color if applicable. Feel free to add other effects or layers to create a truly unique and polished video. Once you are completely satisfied with your creation, simply tap the Export button to save your final video in your desired resolution and format.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.